get rid of insects around your home, then this video is specially for you. For this, try the remedy to get rid of insects. Try mixing a few drops of peppermint oil with some hot water and place it in a spray bottle. A good ratio is 5 to 10 drops of essential oil per ounce of water. Use the mixture to spray down countertops, furniture, curtains and blinds, and hard to reach areas of the home where insects are often present. Always test in a small area first to make sure the oil does not damage the items you want to spray. I hope this trick will be helpful for you and you can easily get rid of insects in your home. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button for more videos. If you have any question regarding this video, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply you. Thank you very much.